Welcome back to the next part of the Weekend of Challenge 40. So we are seeing the shell scripting challenges. So in this particular part, we'll be seeing the conflict resolution merger. So if you, let's assume there are certain files, there are certain folders, and there are two files of the same name in two different folders. Now the task is we have to, we have a common folder. Let's say folder 1, we have a file called file 1 or file A, and we have the files, we have a file with the same name called file A in folder B. Now we have to put both of them in folder C. So if we put both, then it says it is already existing because it just checks the file name and not the content. It says the file is already existing. Do you want to replace or add new? So what we have to do is when copying with the same name, that is basically when there is conflict, we have to add _1, that is file A _1, and then file A _2. So that we have two different files and we can put it in the same name without any same folder without any conflicts. So let's see the code. Now first we have the first argument and second argument, third argument, that is basically source folder 1, source folder 2 and destination folder. So source folder 1 is basically the first folder with some file. Source folder 2 is the second folder with some file. Destination folder is what both the files we have to take from source folder 1 and source folder 2 and put it in the destination folder. Clear. Now we check if the source folder or the destination folder or the source folder 2 is empty. I mean, if the arguments are not provided. If the arguments are not provided, then we say three folder paths must be provided, and then we exit and then we close the if. Now, if all the three arguments are present, then this entire if loop is skipped. Then we directly move to create directory. So in this create directory, if it is not existing, we create a directory called destination folder, and we can name it whatever we want because it has roller and it replaces with the original name. Now, after that, we iterate to each and every file in the source folder, and then we extract only the name. That is basically this base name removes the direct path and directly gives only the name. For example, if the file is file A, it only gives file A. So now it assumes that the same file name is there in the second directory as well. So whatever this file name is there, we check the source folder 2 and we check if the same file name is there. It assumes that same file name is there, and then we have to check if the files existing both the directory. If for example, if there are 10 folders in if there are 10 files in first folder, then we check for all the 10 files if the same name is existing in that also. So we check if the folder file in the file 1 and file 2 is existing, both of them have the same. Then we have to make a common file 1 with the adding the _1 for that particular name, and then copy that and paste it in the common file 1. So now we have the common folder, destination folder, and we have that common file 1 and common file 2 as two different files. We do the same for both. For the second one, we insert _2. For the first one, we insert _1. For example, file A _1, file A _2. We close the if and then we say done. So this is closed, that for is closed. To close for, we are using done. And then we print saying common files merged successfully, and then we exit. Let me run the program now. You can see source 1 and source 2 were the two files. Both of them had appconfig.json, appconfig.json. So now what happened? It copied both of them, and one more was database.sql, database.sql. Now it converted that into appconfig1.json and appconfig2.json. Similarly, database1.json, database2.json, and now both the common files are merged successfully. Let me submit the program now. So test cases have passed, and that's it for this video. Also next video. Thank you.